YouTube. Welcome to my channel, guys. This is my first vlog ever to be created. Kwa wale wanijui, my name is Telvin Mwadhi. Telvin T, not Kelvin. Sawa? Very nice. So leo I want to go take a quick shave. I change my beard. Nione kama I look different, because you know hii town kujaribu as many things as possible. Yeah, I go home because right now niko kwa my grandma's place, as you can see. Yeah, this is her place. Nilikuwa nimemtembelea but nikapata bado hajatoka church, so nikasema acha niende nikimbie kinyozi first. I go in town, then I come back, and then nitakuwa sharudi. Yeah, so quick outfit of the day. Kofia, this is a Balenciaga. Some blue denims and some black Air Forces and a little jewelry. See, I'm starting to try some this is not ngoje kizungu itanipita, but hizi ma bling, you know what I'm saying? So
12 seconds later.
So I'm from the barber shop. Nimetoka town, nimetoka kufanya some few errands up and there. So nilikosema I go for this new style. Wanted to shave this. Sijui kama looking good, magla. Looking clean, looking
nice.
So nimetoka huko maliza some errands, nikasema nipitie my home nitanga tunasemaje, my home area. Kasema let me buy some street chapatis. I've missed them. Kasema let me buy the quick snack. Nilikuwa nimega bila ni. For me, if you know, as a Kikuyu, shafashi is a must. Shafashi is a must. Chapo hayo unazaona mtu ndani. Yes, ni 10 bob, but yeah, it's worth it. Sijafurahia. So I bought like 4 as a snack. Yeah, 4. I eat 4 as a snack. So it's reasonable. Hey guys, yeah. Yo, what's good, YouTube? So it's the following day. Yesterday I didn't get to vlog a lot of things because nilikuja home nikadoze, nikalala. Yeah, shit happens. Mtu uchoka. So leo I'm going to my brother's place, go pick him up. We go for some driving lessons because I'm teaching him how to drive. Hajui bado. So anajua bado hajafika hapo. So nitaenda huko pick him up. Go for some lessons, 1, 2, 3. It might take 2 hours, 3 hours, I don't know. So I'm pick. After that, niende home. My mom has some packages for me. I pick them up. Niambia niende, sijui nini, I don't know. Niende, I go. Then after hapo, I go to my friend's area, go town, no, 58. I go check up on some things. Then after that, I think I'm going back home, rather. Something comes up. Yeah, I don't know, but tutajua tu. See you when I get to my brother's place.
Few moments later.
So currently, nimefika. Tatungoja atoke. Sasa tuende. So I'm hopping up. Who else? Quick fit check. Party. white socks, Balmain jeans, some ikala sijui ndaitaje. Ikala sijui cream maybe, and some bucket hats. That's the outfit of the day. Sasa tuende. I'll pick you up next. Kama nitaweza, kama sitaweza, then tutajua. Sawa. Bye bye. Ndo nimefika home. Shachukua package. Kumbe the packages ni eggs. Amenipatia za kuku. The chicken I used to raise back then ilikuwa home. Amenipatia mayai. Ameniambia kujia mayai. Ni mayai kumbe. Acha nikuonyeshe vile amenipatia mingi zimetega. Let me show you guys. Kwa nini? You see all of those eggs, eh? Ni mingi. It's like a crate. Wamekula mayai baka wameboeka. So akaniambia nikujia. So yeah. Waende. Nilipitia to my, nilienda nikachukua my two cousins since wanaishi karibu na barabara. Nikasema wacha niwachukue hata hawa drive. Yeah. Nichukue sasa brother yangu mdogo mwenye mbaki home. Tuende naye. I've just received an order. Nataka sana nimeambiwa nichukue some paints. Nimeenda kuchukua some paints kwa hapa at Mudhukinju. No, Mudhukinju Paints and Cement. Tutachukua some few packages nipeleke sites. And after hapo good to go.
Biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drip, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new Patek, I had to watch so I two-toned them. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. It ain't your car, you just a lease, so you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that fly when I'm performing. The back end just came in and out honest. Vibes below cute, they all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young niggas run shit. I know they hating on me, but I don't read comments. Whenever I tell her to come, she coming. Whenever it's smoke, we ain't running. Too hard, don't stay too close. You gon' fuck around the town. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little fire, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she getting shredded. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie getting made.
So now I'm currently checking out a house. Hey, this house is big. Because I want to show you this. Look at this. Look how beautiful it is. Wow. Hii color kuna venye na shift. Sijui kama hizi nitaweza kuona. It's blue then kwa macho ni poa like wow. I really like the balcony. See it. This is nice. So I'm back home. Tired as fuck. Nimeshoka. Kushoka. Otherwise, because I want to prepare supper. I'm making some chapatis with some leftover minji ya jana. I eat ranya. I'm making chapos. Here the nose. Some leftover minji ya jana. Ile mchele. I don't feel like eating rice, so I did some chapatis. Yes. It's a fail. It's a fail, but it's okay. I don't care. Yeah. So making. See you tomorrow. If I'll head out, then I'll pick you guys later. Tomorrow. Maybe. Yeah. Good morning, guys. Hope you're good. So it's the following day. Today is on Tuesday, man. Wednesday. Leo Tuesday. It's on a Tuesday. Niamka. So today I have a couple of errands. First, breakfast check. Second, I need to wash the car because she's a little bit dirty. Yeah, wash the car. Alafu as you can see, she's wash the car, head to town. Then I'm done for the day. Tutajua ke tutafanya if it's heading kuji-entertain, but I don't know. Tutajua, we shall know. Nice. See you in a few.
Say what, yeah. Girl, you know what's up. Say what, girl, you know what's up. Me and my people be rolling, scheming on you and your homie. Every first day of summer, all come down in the Hummer thing. Hit the park and parlay. Hope that you walk the way. You and your girl on the ride. Play all day, talk on the line. Say what, you know that I like it, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what's up. And you know what I need. Ooh, say what, you know that I'm about it, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what's up. I'm digging you. I'm feeling you. You know what's up.
10 minutes. Tunang'ara kama nonsense.
Meanwhile,
Just bought me some sugarcane juice for this sugarcane.
Bro, what are you talking about?
That's a juice. Hey.
I mean, it's all right. Like, overrated as fuck.
Test miwa. Yeah, and test miwa. Kamera inaenda wapi? Ina test tu miwa. Si mbaya. Anywho, let me go niende those sections za 58 nione venye kuna kaa. Kama ni boring, I go home. Then kama nitakuwa na another nini, I'll vlog for you. But for now, twende 58.
All you gotta do is say yes. Think about what you feel, baby, address you. Open up your mind and just rest.
So I'm back home. Nimefika. I'm taking some tea. Yeah, with my best friend. Hi Leo. This is Leo. Guys, say hi to Leo. Hi Leo. Good boy. This is Leo. Security na kuanga huku tight. No. So see you tomorrow, guys. Yeah, tuonane kesho. Sawa.
the next day.
Welcome, guys. Today is on a Wednesday. So it's roughly what? It's 3. Got me car home, nikaboeka, nikasema let me visit my aunt. Ana live karibu. Kasema nikuje huku. Alikuwa na camping setup. As you can see, she's hosting a campsite. Yeah. And for those who don't know, this is called Rosemary Gardens. Yeah, located in Barnabas. Yeah. Kasema leo nimekuja ni chill, enjoy some nature. Bana, this area is calm. Kumetulia, kuna maneno mingi. Away from hizo makele za watoto na juu wamefunga shule za magari nini. It's like a reserved area. Yeah. Sema huko ni chill. I really like this place. You can see the birds here, the birds plus here. Yeah, it's actually nice. And the sunset here, crazy. But leo weather imeniamulia mbaya. I wanted to vlog that sunset. Hiyo sunset unamaliza mbaya. Ni sexy unlike you. Yeah, you. Yeah. Mkuja hapa na chill. We speak 1, 2, 3. Take a stroll. They also have bicycles, so mkuja hapa naendesha bike, but sasa kumenyesha. But it's so fine. Look at this place. Beautiful. So I was thinking wakifanya campsite nikuje nidandie. Oh, and the bonfire here, crazy. Yani I just like the vibe. Baby huku huanga mbaya, huanga crazy mbaya. Yeah. So nilikuwa nafikiria nimwambie kama hata mimi naweza kuja kucamp. Sijaenda camping. So yeah. Nijue kumeendaje. Look at that mother. I just love this place. Really love it. Yeah. So mukuja. Mostly I like to chill at this swing. Yeah. Hi bird. Nakuja tunachill hapa. Sasa. Kika kwa nyumba utachizi. Tena kama nitaweza kuswing. That was really miss. My inner childhood is happy. Yeah. Bonfire ukuanga hapa ni crazy. So the bonfire hapa is crazy. Huwa tunawasha focus. Bonfire inakuanga hapa. Then they project kama kuna game. Tuna project hapa. Umbrella. Drinks zinakuanga pale. Food and all that things. Look at this place. Oh my God. So, see you guys. Yeah.